Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are in the dining room. It is a beautiful wintry day outside with snow falling, and my daughter's school just called and they will be dismissing early. So welcome to my dining room on this wonderful winter day. I am here with you today to share a couple of exciting things. First off, let me go through my empties, and these are the products I've used up over the winter months, so December, January, and into the beginning of February. So I'll quickly run through these, and then I have something exciting hiding in this box. So we'll get to that in just a moment. First of all, I have my peppermint magnesium lotion from Jordan Essentials. So this is one I keep in the bathroom, and after my shower, I'll do basically head to toe with the peppermint magnesium lotion. It helps relax and soothe all of my muscles, helps me sleep better. I sleep nice and soundly, and especially if I've done a workout that day, I'll make sure to get either my legs or my arms, whatever muscles are needing a little extra TLC, because the magnesium and the peppermint both help with that. Also, if I have an upset tummy, I'll rub it on my tummy, and that seems to help as well because peppermint is good for nausea. So that is the first item, and I will be ordering this again. This is one I always have on hand in our bathroom, and because it's empty, I've been missing it, so I have one coming in soon. Secondly, I have some oatmeal milk and honey hand and body lotion. So this is our lighter, thinner hand and body lotion that's in a pump, and I like to keep one of these in each bathroom as well, so that after a shower or a bath, anyone in our family can use this for just a quick dose of moisture all over. So I kind of go back and forth depending on my mood, or if it's morning or evening, whichever one I'll want. But these are both similar consistency. It's just this one is a nice light, healthy moisturizing lotion, but it does not have magnesium or peppermint essential oil like this one does. So it just kind of depends on what I'm in the mood for. So this one I have replaced currently with the Promise hand and body lotion. That was a customer special that came out a couple of months ago, so I have that in our bathroom as my spring fragrance, but I always love oatmeal milk and honey. I tend to cycle between a spring fragrance, and then this is my fall and winter fragrance. And next I have our Resistance Foaming Hand Soap. So this is the Resistance Essential Oil Blend in our nice light and healthy foaming hand soap. So it's non-toxic, it doesn't dry out your hands feel nice and moisturized when you're finished using it. And because of the Resistance Essential Oil Blend, it's going to help fight germs and kill bacteria and all of that too. This is a blend of clove, cinnamon, lemon, rosemary, and eucalyptus essential oils. And we can get this in lots of other products too, that essential oil blend, but I definitely like keeping one of these around. So what I actually do is have a large jug of the refill soap, and I'm just going to refill this and put this back at the bathroom sink. So that one is staying in rotation. Next we have our Tea Tree Toner Mist, and this one is no longer in the catalog. We've just simplified, and now we have the toner mist, and you can always add your tea tree to it. So that's what I've been doing. This was something we had for a little while, which was nice, but either way I like having a tea tree in my face products to help fight acne. So I have replaced this one with our regular toner mist, and I've just added some drops of our tea tree essential oil to help boost that acne fighting properties of my toner. And if you've ever used a toner before, you may be familiar with the ones that feel like they kind of tighten your face up, but they usually have alcohol or an astringent in them. And our toner is completely different. This is actually like vitamins for your face. So it's going to refresh and moisturize and add back to your skin, as well as help balance your pH on your face. And the benefit of that is that any products you put on afterward are going to work better because your pH is balanced. So I really love using our toner mist. I just do a couple of sprays all over my face and let that dry, usually while I'm brushing my teeth. So that one has been replaced. Next we have the moisturizing formula shampoo, and this is actually my husband's. So in the shower or the bath, my daughter and I use only the conditioner, the Jordan Essentials conditioner. Since we have naturally curly hair, we just don't have a need for shampoo because our hair is so dry naturally. My husband tends to have just normal hair. His is not really that curly, and it's a short haircut, so that helps too. So he uses the shampoo only. And I've actually, instead of replacing this with regular shampoo, I'm going to be trying the men's hair and body wash, which is a new product. So I'll show you that in just a little bit, but it's essentially our body wash and a little bit of our shampoo that's all been combined in a special men's fragrance, which is bergamot and sandalwood. So since he's the only one that uses shampoo in our house, we're gonna give that a go. And then I have the activated charcoal soap, and this one is actually a new one, which will go in our bathroom, but I had already recycled the container from the last one. So this has tea tree essential oil in it, and you can use it just on your face. It's a great one, again, for fighting acne because of the tea tree essential oil. But it also works great as an all-over bar, and so we use one in the shower. You can even use it to take Sharpie off of skin. So the activated charcoal soap is a great degreaser, and it just works on general detoxifying and natural cleansing. So we like to use this one, like I said, in the shower, but it's also a nice one if you have someone who's working outside or has a job where their hands are in grease a lot. This one works really well too. So that's one we've already replaced. This will be going back in our shower. We have two left. So I have the grapefruit and bergamot deodorant. So I have been using the Jordan Essentials natural deodorant, which is aluminum free. Gosh, for probably 10 years or however long we've had it. I'm not even sure at this point, but I have family members on both sides that have had breast cancer, so it's important to me to make sure that I do not have any aluminum in any of the products I use on my body. And so I have been loving our natural deodorant for a long time. I was using this grapefruit and bergamot for a while, which was a spring scent a couple of years ago. So this has been replaced with a new spring scent, which I will show you here shortly. So currently I'm using the spring scent from last year, which was the Promise. And that one is Clementine and Freesia, which is another like nice fresh fragrance for a deodorant. So I'm enjoying switching to that new fragrance. And if you've ever gone from using an antiperspirant and something that's going to clog your pores with deodorant and tried switching to a natural deodorant, there is a little bit of a detox period for your body to adjust, and I highly recommend using our charcoal soap. This activated charcoal soap is really going to help detoxify your armpits, and that's important because you need to pull out all those toxins and things that have been clogging your pores for however long you've been using that antiperspirant. And once you get your body sort of back to balance, then you'll find you don't actually sweat as much as you thought you did, and our natural deodorant works great. The other thing you can do is use our activated charcoal mask, which is typically for your face, but you can actually mask your armpits, and that's another great way to detoxify your armpits and get all of those pores functioning back to normal. So the last thing in my basket here is a lotion bar. Of course, I'm always using lotion bars. So this was one from the holiday line. It was the oatmeal milk and honey in this cute little gift tag, and this was the one that was actually in my car. So the ones in my car typically just sit open like this in the center console, so that way I can grab the lotion bar whenever I want. And I will link below a little video I did explaining a lotion bar and talking all about it, but I have replaced this one with another oatmeal milk and honey that is in the current label. So that one has already been replaced in my vehicle as well. Now, let me gather all this up and I'll come back and share with you what's in the secret box behind here. Okay, well, if you are new to my channel and you are not familiar, Jordan Essentials is a bath and body company out of Nixa, Missouri, and I've been selling the products for about 17 years. I've loved them ever since I found out about the lotion bar. I've been hooked. So they just came out with their new spring and summer catalog, which was released on February 6th. So those items are now becoming available online, and I will link my web store below in case you're interested in anything. But I'm going to go through and share with you what came in my spring product launch kit. And as you can see on the side, we had to wait until February 6th to get to open this. So that was a fun thing to have sitting around anxiously awaiting. It was like Christmas. Every year they do two catalogs, one in the spring and summer that comes out in February, and a second one that comes out in July, and that's our fall winter catalog. So we're just finishing up the fall winter catalog from 2020. Now for 2021, the spring catalog will have a new scent. There's a new scent that comes out in each catalog, and of course some other new and exciting things. So first I'll show you the catalog. So we've actually gone to the smaller size. If you've seen our catalogs before, they used to be the full 8.5 by 11. So now we've kind of compacted things down. This is a nice small catalog that's easy to mail, so that's been great because I just started a new sample club program, and I'm excited that this will be something easy to drop in the mail with a few samples for everyone that's in my sample club. And if you're interested in that, that link will be in the description as well. So if you are interested in joining my sample club, you can check that out down below. All right, so part of the new catalog is that new spring scent that I mentioned, and here it is. I'm gonna try and hold all three of these great products up. So the spring scent this year is called Cocoa Mango. So this is a nice, light, kind of fresh, summery scent. It smells mostly like mango to me with just a little hint of coconut. So it's been a really fun thing to have. It makes me think of summer, which is a nice change of pace after I see all the snowflakes falling behind you out the window. So this is our spring and summer scent, and it's around for the length of this catalog, so from February through July. And it comes in our full line of products. What we got in our kit as a consultant was the everyday collection. So this saves you about 10%. It comes with the salt scrub, the lotion bar, and the Cocoa Mango Shea Body Butter. And this is the 4-ounce tube. So these are great products to have on hand around your home. And if you want to try that new scent, this is a good savings to just get a little bit of everything and give it a try. So that is our new scent, the Cocoa Mango, which is exciting. And then besides that, I'll show you something I mentioned earlier, which is the men's collection hair and body wash in that bergamot and sandalwood scent. So the scent we have had around for a little while, but this is a new label, new design, and then of course the hair and body wash is a new product for us too, to have that combined. So this is what my husband will be giving a try, and I'll let you know what he thinks about that. Then we have the beautiful body oil. So this is something that is new to the catalog this year. This is an unscented natural body oil. It's a combination of things like sweet almond, avocado oil, and argan oil. You can use it just unscented as it is. It's great for a massage. So if you're going to your massage therapist, you could ask them to use this. Even just at home, if you do dry brushing, this is a nice body oil to finish off your dry brushing routine. You can also add our essential oils to it. So we have a nice collection of Jordan Essentials essential oils, and you can combine those, either just a little bit of the oil in your palm with a drop or two of your favorite essential oil and blend that together before you apply it. Or if you love a certain essential oil scent, you can add those drops directly to the bottle and you'll have your whole bottle scented in your favorite essential oil blend. So that is another wonderful new product, and of course all of our products have no parabens, no aluminum, no isopropyl alcohol, no mineral oil, no SLS, no SES, and no gluten. So lots of great healthy products and ingredients, but nothing you have to worry about. And then we have our blue line. So if you're familiar with the catalog, we have what's called a magnesium stick. Kind of looks like a giant tube of lip balm, and I'll show you a picture here. And for years now, we've had the magnesium stick in what we call the blue stick. So it's a blend of essential oils. And the blue stick blend has peppermint, sweet basil, lavender, and frankincense essential oils. So this is what the sticks look like. And they're just really nice. They're a quick, easy thing to apply anywhere you want to spot treat. If you have tension or muscle aches or tightness, you can use it on your neck for tech neck. If you're getting a headache, it's great to swipe over your forehead or your temples. You can use it on the bottoms of your feet. Sometimes I have a little carpal tunnel or tendonitis on my wrist, so I'll apply it to my wrist. But because it's a beeswax base, it's not going to spill, it's not going to make a mess if the lid comes off, so it's just a nice, easy product to have on hand. So, along with that now, they've added the whole magnesium collection in the blue stick blend. So that means you can get it in a shea body butter, which is exciting because we haven't had this yet. I love our shea body butter. It's a very rich, emollient, extra moisturizing, thicker lotion, and now we can get it with that same blend of essential oils plus the magnesium. So this is really exciting to have this all in one product with everything combined. And this shea butter blend will come in 3 sizes, a 2-ounce, this is the 4-ounce, and it also comes in a big 8-ounce tub, which is the same size as this. So you can get it in lots of sizes. It also comes in a spray, so you can apply it as a spray with the witch hazel and the essential oils blended in with magnesium, the shea body butter, or like I mentioned, the little blue stick, which is a beeswax based blend of lotion. So that's exciting to have that whole blue stick line all in the new products. And the last thing I got in my kit is one of our lavender essential oil sprays. But what's new is they have added magnesium to all of our essential oil sprays. And that is exciting as well because of the benefits of magnesium. Magnesium is something that every cell in our body uses to function, and you can be slightly deficient to very deficient in magnesium, and you're going to notice the difference. So you'll have things like muscle twitches, muscle aches, soreness, you might have trouble with fatigue or restless leg syndrome, you may have trouble sleeping, and it causes that foggy mental state when you're low on magnesium. So having several products where we can get a boost of magnesium into our body is really nice, and because it's topical magnesium, it goes on your skin, and of course anything you put on your skin is going to be in your bloodstream within 26 seconds. So you can very quickly get that magnesium right where you need it, if it's on your knees or on your shoulders or on your neck, wherever you're having those aches and pains or soreness, or just all over, to get a nice boost of magnesium in your system. So I'm really excited that now all of our essential oil sprays will come with magnesium too, so they're even more beneficial. So that is everything I got in my new product kit for the Spring-Summer Catalog launch. Like I mentioned, I'll put everything down below. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. If you're interested in trying anything, you can join my sample club or just reach out to me and I can try to guide you into something that would be the best product for what you're looking for. Other than that, thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Stay cozy and comfortable. I appreciate you watching, and look for some new videos I have coming out. A new collab video with my friend Sarah over at Silver Lining, where we shared a day in the life and a little visit we did recently, as well as a video where I'll be showing you my new home office space coming up. Thanks again, have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.